not doing that again.
What is this monstrosity? Actually, my whole face is a monstrosity. Do you guys ever have that one show that you just keep on watching over and over and over and over again? Here I am watching Gossip Girl for the 4th time since my senior year of high school. Oh my god, my one true love.
But it's okay. Turns out
I think Nate was the first white boy that I ever crushed on. First and last, actually.
I just wanted to say,
Until I get a tripod, I'm going to be this close to the screen. But I'm getting my nails done today. For most of quarantine, I tried to do my nails on my own. It didn't really last more than a week, but, you know, I tried to do it. I even got myself like a little gel LED light. I would shape them, I would clean them, I would keep them intact. And today I gave up. I have 2 options. I'm going to get either this one while I'm doing the YouTuber thing, or I'm going to get this one. Which one should I get? Let me know. I'm going to clean now. It's gonna break. It's gonna break one day. It's fine. I'm really like excited and like highly anticipating this nail appointment today. I'm going to a new nail salon, so I figured this is my time to shine and be one of those videos that I used to watch when I was younger. Be like, getting my nails done. Come get my nails done with me. Oh my god, I'm a YouTuber. I'm back from the nail salon. I really also need to get a tripod. But in the meantime, nail reveal. Ta-da! This is what they look like. I'm actually really happy with how they came out. Kind of very similar to the picture that I showed him, and I love the color. I didn't know what color to pick, so I asked one of my friends and they picked it. Good morning. It is 8:50 a.m. and I was completely unaware that I'm out of coffee. I'm out of coffee. Happy Friday, y'all. Good evening. It is almost 5:30 p.m. I am currently packing because I'm going home for the week. I'm really excited. Oh my god, my room is so messy right now. But yeah, come pack with me.
next day.
I am in my consultation for LASIK right now. They just numbed and dilated my eyes, and my eyes burn from the numbing drops, but I'm doing well. Hopefully it goes well. My nails look cute. Am I the only one that used to hate getting their eyes checked because of that puff of air that they used to do to check your eye pressure? Well, luckily they don't do that anymore. I'm just chilling. This is my new fuzzy jacket that I got from H&M. It was 20 bucks plus 10% off. I didn't really realize that H&M has so many hidden discounts. Oh my god. My hair today is just something else. yeah. Peace. Good morning. Did you come to wake me up? You kind of look like you just woke up yourself. Good morning to you too. Wake up. Say hi. So I was just at the mall and it was so much fun. I actually used to work at this mall and it's changed so much. Insert footage now. Today I saw a vlogging kit. And I had seen it on someone's like Instagram and TikTok a while ago, and like it was like a makeshift vlogging kit that came with like the little handle that like swivels around and like a light box and a microphone and like a thing to hold your phone. So I think I want it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's connected right now to my laptop, but I'll actually probably end up getting an outlet for it. And then you go like this, and wow. And then you can change the lighting colors. Now that I have a ring light, I feel like a whole new person. But anyway, so I saw these things on TikTok, as well as my friend actually makes them. She's really good at making them, but I wanted to make my own. And the thing that I'm talking about is the glass like photo album cover thing with like the Spotify music and stuff. I got this idea on Pinterest to make a gallery wall of them. I have like an empty wall in my apartment and I thought it would be a great idea to make a couple of them and put them like as a grid. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna make them. So I'm going to start off in Microsoft Word by just cropping the bottom part of the screenshots that I took of each song that I wanted. This will make it a lot easier to get a more precise tracing of the songs. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Mod Podge to glue on the pictures onto the glass so it lasts longer. And these are the pictures that I got from Walgreens. I got 12 of them for $4. And then the paint markers that I'm going to use from Michael's. And I got 12 frames from the dollar store for $1. What I'm doing here is just cutting down the screenshots that I took, so it's a lot easier to trace onto the glass. Here what I'm doing is just mapping out where I want everything to go, so it's very precise. It'll make it a lot easier. And then what I'm doing here is using my paint marker and going over all the white spots and the letters. I wanted to use black because I thought it would stand out more on my gray walls. I thought white might disappear into the wall and not show up too well. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm just taking Mod Podge on the back of the picture and I'm going to slowly place this onto the glass and just press down. You don't want to press down too hard because you don't want the glue to ooze out of the sides, and you also don't want to use too much Mod Podge. I look like a complete bum, but I'm editing this video right now and realize that I didn't even make an outro. So here's my outro. I just want to give a shout out to everyone that sent such amazing and kind messages to me after my first vlog. I saved them all, like every single one. I screenshotted them and put them on a drive just because they meant so much to me. I was so glad that people noticed the effort that I was putting in and why I wanted to make these videos. So thank you for being awesome. Stay awesome. That is a wrap on vlog number 2. I hope you got this far. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.